Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2025 Airstream Globetrotter 27FB Queen. We're at Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. And we've got a link below for new use, service, and parts. There's the Globetrotter badging. As you can see, it is a tandem axle, naturally with a 27 model. You're gonna have tandem axle. Let's get inside where it's a bit quiet. We have outdoor storage. Here we have storage in the front. We have our power shut off here. Really like this floor. It's kind of like a weave, and it feels like a weave, but it holds up very, very well. I've seen some of the used units, the older units that have similar flooring, and it's very, very resilient. So we have what I guess you could call a U-shaped dining area, and then the couch goes around right into your 27-inch TV, as well as your power controls, little cubby for magazine storage. Very nice kitchen setup. I really like this sink. I'm just going to remove the covers here so you can see. Nice wide stainless steel deep sink. This has been winterized, so I'm not going to mess with it. We're in late October, so the weather's starting to turn. Here we have waste baskets and or compost, recycle, which is very handy. We also have your trash basket right here. And we'll swing around the front. We have drawers, and I really like the way they cut this out for the plumbing or the drain for your sink. And I always like to show the Airstream utensil caddy. I know it's something simple, but it's something that I really like. 3-burner cooktop, conventional and convection microwave oven, and then small truncated storage there. Speaking of storage, check out the amount of storage there. How you darn. And then also, sometimes you'll see a microwave in this. This you can see is set up for canned goods, box, dry goods. Very, very nice. We swing around, we have our refrigerator, whoopsie doopsie, and refrigerator and freezer, as well as a small storage up there. You can put a couple bottles of champagne or wine. I wouldn't recommend champagne if it was rolling around and then popping the cork, but that's just me. Very nice sized cabinet here. Very large and in charge. And then we step down the hallway and you see the shower. You have your exhaust here, LED lighting, your drying rod, or clothesline, I should say. We'll back up, and then I'm gonna swing around and show you the bathroom. So it's kind of like a marine motif. And then we have this light colored furniture grade cabinets. We also have, well, this one's reversed. Quite often they come in and someone has them reversed. But cabinets on the bottom and the top, your commode, and then medicine cabinet on top. I didn't want to be in the shot, but you can see right there what it looks like. And then as we step into the bathroom, or bedroom, out of the bathroom and into the bedroom, as I mentioned, it's a 27FB queen. So there's your queen bed. We have storage with tubs. Very nice bed setup. Cabinets on both sides, kind of a nightstand. We also have lighting underneath there that is great for task lighting, reading, or just accent lighting. And then as we turn the camera, we can see we also have a 24-inch TV here. Feel like the price is right. 24-inch TV here, 27 in the other room. We also have our thermostat controls here. So we'll work our way back down. I love that lighting. I could just imagine at night what that would look like, the accent lighting above the cabinets. So again, 2025 Airstream 27FB, and this is a Globetrotter. It's offered by Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. And again, there's a link below for new use, service, and parts. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.